Just sing it with me, all right? Because you know in that last chorus, I'm going to be asking for you. Anyway, I wrote this string of songs in Tennessee when I was visiting there for a couple years. This was the last song to come out of it. If you knew the first part of the story, you'd know the end of the story. Anyway, this song's called Crazy. Well, it's been 10 years since I poured my heart and soul into this guitar. Only thing I heard from everyone around, you won't make it very far. But I learned the crowds and I learned the songs and I played them every night. About lessons learned, heartbreak and trouble, how alcohol makes it right. One thing I didn't see coming caught me by surprise. For all those girls in their cowboy boots, that look in their eyes. Well, girl, back up and get out of here before I put you in a song. Everybody's gone, so maybe you should fight for I love you all night long. Yeah, you start the fire, gave me inspired, gotta go before you hate me. Best lesson I learned in all these years is you don't stick your dick in crazy. That's on me, they're all off the rocker, and ain't every girl I find. But every one of them, hell, even the good ones, kinda wild side. And when they cut their eyes, damn, it turns me on, but I don't know what I'm getting into. Do I pack up my guitar and leave? Do I go home with you? Most times it feels like just another mistake. But I won't know unless I try. It's a chance I'm willing to take. Well, girl, back up and get out of here before I put you in a song. And yeah, everybody's gone, so maybe you should fight for I love you all night long. Yeah, you start the fire, get me inspired, gotta go before you hate me. Best lesson I learned in all these years is you don't stick your dick in crazy. Well, girl, back up and get out of here before I put you in a song. Yeah, everybody's gone, so maybe you should follow for I love you all night long. You start the fire, get me inspired, gotta go before you hate me. The best lesson I learned in all these years. What is it? Is you don't stick your dick in crazy. Yeah, crazy. Y'all give it up for Curtis playing over there on the guitar. Thank you guys for listening to us. Dirty Lindsay will be up next. We're gonna go drink.